Hello everyone, and welcome once again to this your channel. In case you don't know me, I'm Lynette, the person behind this wonderful project that I call GretaWings. And with this mini tutorial, I want to teach you how to make these mini daisies for my melody. Will be the next tutorial. Then let's see the materials. I'm using Symphonia brand yarn, but you can use whatever yarn that you prefer. White and yellow one. With this yarn, I will use 2.5 millimeters hook. Depending on your yarn, maybe you need to change the number of hook. Glue, whatever glue that you prefer, and some wire if you want to put the stem on this flower. But if you only want the flowers, you don't need wire. This one is beautiful. I really love this wire for flowers. Then I hope you like it and you want to do it, and if it's like that, let's start. We will start using white colored yarn, starting with a magic ring and 3 chains. This one is the first chain, 1, 2, and 3. 2 double crochet, 1 and 2, 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3, and 1 slip stitch on the magic ring. And we will repeat exactly the same 5 times in total. 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3, 2 double crochet, 1 and 2, 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3, and 1 slip stitch on the magic ring. Then repeat exactly the same 3 times more. When you finish, you can cut the yarn, leaving enough yarn just for secure. And you need this thread in front of you. First, we will prepare the wire if you plain put the wire. Because this wire has cover, I will put some glue, some silicone hot on the top just for secure. Later we need make this on the top, pin on the center, and close the magic ring. And with both threads you can secure more. Using glue, I will secure this thread on the center. Everything on the center. With silicone will be fast. We need just a little glue, not too much. That's it, and you can cut the thread. And now we will make the center. For the center, we will use yellow colored yarn, starting with a magic ring and 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. You can cut the yarn, leaving enough yarn just for secure, and you can close the magic ring. Also, I will show you how to close using a wool needle and will be better. Now secure. Later we will make the union with the daisy. And that's it. I'm already made 3. They are very easy and fast to make. The next tutorial, of course, I will show you how to make my melody. Will be the next project. And I hope you like this tutorial, and if it's like that, please don't forget to leave me your like and your comment. I really appreciate it, and that support this wonderful project. And if you haven't subscribed yet on this channel, what are you waiting for? I invite you to do it and activate the bell, and you will receive notification every time that I upload a new video. Thanks a million for watching this one to the end. Until next amigurumi. Bye bye.